Hey, what's good, Facebook family? Alright, I'm back with another video. This car right here is a 2002 Infiniti, and I'm replacing the radiator. As you see, I got the car raised up so I can drain the coolant out the radiator. Right now, I was getting ready to take the fan off. As you see, I got the fan off. Next step is to take the radiator off. I have to move that piece so I can go and get it up out of there. So now I got the radiator off. So now I can get to the compressor. Those two bolts that's on the compressor for the lines, make sure you take your time taking them out, man, because if you just take them right out, that Freon is gonna shoot that bitch back at you, and you don't want to go through that. There it is. I'm letting the Freon out. You know, that dye there is to let you find out where the leak is. So now I got the lines out the way, I can take the compressor off. I got the compressor off. Now it's time to go back in with the new one. All right, so here's the new one right here. Get that out the box. You know what I'm saying? Got it back, you know what I'm saying, hooked up and whatnot. Got the lines on there. Putting the radiator back on. Got the different hoses and shit put back on there. Got the fan back on. Now it's time to charge it up. Put the Freon in it. And as you can see, there go the gauge, the Freon. Go on, throw that in there so it can blow like Alaska. But yeah, man, there it is. Job done. Compressor replacement on the 2000.